All right, guys, we're going to dive into how to actually create a lead magnet. And when we say lead magnet, if you watch the last video, that means like a checklist or a cheat sheet, an ebook or a video series, anything like that. And where I love to start with this is getting on canva.com. If you do not belong, if you don't have an account on canva.com, you absolutely should join it. It's free. It's probably been one of the most amazing free online softwares that we've used. You don't have to download anything. You just log in. It's absolutely free. You can upgrade to higher plans if you want to get access to more things, but you can do a million different things using this. And this is, guys, this is where I make almost 95% of our lead magnets, things that we're going to give to share with people. So as we've got here, you can see they have all these different templates. And we'll walk through in just a second. Templates of different things that we can make, right? So we've got infographics, book covers, logos, right? A lot of these are geared towards just social media specific sizing of things, right? If you want a header for your email, they have templates here. Facebook ad, for example, you could look off this to make a template from it. But since we're going to do this, we're going to make a sample cheat sheet or a checklist. And so what I like to do is I like to use this document called an A4 document. And it's just some after trial and error, something I really like. You can choose any of them, but I really want to show you in case you're like, I don't have anything to offer yet. We're going to give you something to offer. We're going to create something to offer. You'll be able to just build right off of this. So you can see, so one thing to look for in Canva is if it has this crown, that means that it's free. Otherwise, you'd have to pay for these. So you want to look for the free ones here. What's really cool is a lot of these have multiple pages. But what I'm going to look for is one that kind of looks like a cheat sheet. Okay, so this kind of looks like a cheat sheet in a way, right? It has things picked out, right? So all I got to do is click on it, and it'll populate. Perfect, right? What's amazing with Canva is you can change literally everything on this, right? So let's say when I want this to be yellow, I want it to be light blue, boom, right? Maybe I want this to be, light blue as well. I want to keep all of this the same color. You can go through, you can change. It's really, really amazing. It's amazing what you can do. You can build out whole ebooks in here as well, which I'm going to give you a copy of my ebook, one of the ebooks I've made that you can use as a template to then change information and do that on your own. So let's come up with a real quick lead magnet, right? So let's go with what to do. Let's do this. We'll do this. Top 3 ways to reduce knee pain after a run, right? So someone might be like, yeah, I'm really curious. This guy's he's a physical therapist. He probably knows what he's talking about. So Canva, you can just drag and drop stuff. I'm actually going to delete this light bulb. Cool. And what's really cool is I can look for images here. So maybe I'll say run, and Canva will pop up all these cool graphic things that I can use. Again, look for free. So this looks pretty cool. I'll slide this guy in here. I'm going to change the size. And boom, right? Or maybe you want to put your logo in here, right? So maybe this would be your, maybe here I'll put Dr. Will Boyd, PT, whatever, DPT. And then maybe I'll put my website here. I can get it to click there and go. So willboydpt.com. Cool. And so now I'm just going to change this stuff, guys, right? This is so easy to do. I'm going to say, rest, right? And this isn't going to be your best physical therapy advice ever. I'm just trying to come up with a good example quickly for you guys. Here's what we're going to do. Sometimes you just got to adjust things. Here we go. I got it highlighted, right? So I'll just delete all this. Just going to put in something simple like, don't hesitate to take a day off if you've been having this, knee pain for a few days. Rest can be your best friend, right? maybe we'll say something like ice, you know, and we'll put something like ice, you know, ice may have an impact on reducing inflammation or calming your nervous system, right? I know evidence is up in the air on that. You just get the idea of what we're doing here for creating a lead magnet, right? So ice, then maybe what we'll do is foam roll, right? We'll do here is, you know, foam rolling can help, let's see, increase blood flow to your sore muscle tissues after a hard run. Okay. And then maybe we'll do something like yoga, right? So then we'll say yoga can help strengthen the muscles around your knee that are impacted while running, right? So guys, this is an easy way to make a lead magnet. Is it the greatest lead magnet of all time? No, but would someone be willing to give information to get this from an expert? Probably, and we've seen it happen over and over and over again. So this is how you can make a quick lead magnet, guys. So this would be a, we'll call this a checklist, right? Or a top 3 guide, right? What's cool is if you want to make it, keep it similar, right? You can just click this double button, which is copy. And now I've got a whole nother thing. And maybe now I just change this to, right? Hip pain, right? And then I change this up and we add those in. So it's a really, really powerful tool. If you're not using Canva, get on Canva. Guys, and below what I'm going to do is give you copies of a checklist to use as a template and a ebook to use as a template as well to create your lead magnets, which we're going to lead people to when we make our lead ad form. So if you have questions, if you want to dive deeper into Canva, just post in our Facebook group. Let us know where you're at. We'll dive deeper. I just want to show you how quick within 10, 15 minutes you can make these things to give to someone to start collecting email information, right? And you can download this. So one other thing, you can take this, right? So maybe I want to take this whole thing. I'm going to download just this first page as a PDF. I could do it as an image, as a PDF. I'm just going to do page 1. I'm going to show you how we can add this as a PDF. For example, you can put this on your website, right? You'll be able to, you can create this, add it to your website. So now I've got this PDF, right? Which is what someone is going to receive when we give this to them. And so we'll make our lead ad form based around this. I'm going to download this and save it to my computer. What to do with knee pain, right? Cool. So guys, that's how we can make a lead magnet that we're going to lead people to with our lead ad form in exchange for their email, name, and phone number. So next video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how we set up our first lead ad form.